Hi, Andrew Bell with you, and now in a position to give you some information on what has proved to be an incredible month in the real estate market here on the Gold Coast, and one that's captured the attention of the media all over Australia, and certainly those who are interested from many parts of the country. As you would know from my previous e-newsletters, it was a month of our event. It's a concept that we created 19 years ago and have seen grown from strength to strength every year. But this event has been nothing short of astounding. That's now become a household word here on the Gold Coast. If you mention the magic millions, anybody on the Gold Coast, in fact many parts of Australia, know exactly what you're talking about, whether you're interested in horse racing or not. Likewise, when you mention the event, it's exactly the same. Whether you're interested in real estate or not, everybody knows it's the big real estate event on the Gold Coast every year. Yes, it has a huge profile, but the numbers this year are nothing short of staggering. Yes, we went to the market with 102 general residential resale properties, 11 commercial properties and 11 prestige properties, 3 stunning boats and some marina berths. Just take on board some of these statistics that were measured from the beginning of the marketing through to auction day. 526,175 is the total number of viewings on the internet. 43,804 people viewed properties via our e-newsletter, 154 pages in the Gold Coast Bulletin. All of this produced 2,278 inspections amongst our team of 230, who then worked on these numbers to pull together our auction days. On Sunday the 27th of January, we had around 1,400 people in our auction room, of which 300 registered as bidders. When you think about that, that's 3 bidders per property for the 102 properties. We also had 100 people in attendance for our commercial auctions, 23 registered for just 11 properties. And at our prestige auction on the 31st of January, we had approximately 350 people in attendance, of which 84 people registered as bidders for just the 11 properties. And now for the ultimate test, the results. On Sunday the 27th of January, 72 properties sold. That's a 70% success rate. But since then, taking sales have occurred following the auction, we're up to 80 sales and therefore an 80% success rate. And more sales are yet still to follow. And at the Prestige auction on Thursday, 6 sold under the hammer for a total of 14 million, and since then a further 2 have reached agreement. I am confident that out of that particular program, we'll end up with 100% success, 100% sold. Now, total sales throughout the event program was a staggering 35 million just for the resale market. But that's only one part of our overall business. Our new projects division played a really active role throughout the event. And this probably gives a really good measure and perhaps a clear picture of the changing mood in the market. Last year, during the period of time from Boxing Day to the 31st of January, we sold just 15 new developer stock in buildings such as Oracle, Hilton, Sol, etc. However, this year, in the same period of time, we sold 58 apartments for a staggering 38.4 million. And there's a lot more in the pipeline as well. Other interesting statistics was that the majority of properties that sold were in excess of reserve price. And in fact, somewhere between 5 and 7% was the average. But there's so much more I could give you, but we do have limited time. However, the message is clear, and that is that there has been a dramatic turnaround in the perception of Australians towards the real estate market, and in particular, the Gold Coast property market. The most common thing that we're told by buyers is that they now believe that this is the bottom of the market, and they have to move quickly to get in as they believe prices are on the rise. Now, starting from next fortnight's e-newsletter, I'll give you some regular snippets from the annual property report, so as to keep you abreast of all of the key factors that are driving the real estate market at present. Things are moving pretty quick and you really need to be on top of it. Well, this was a big report, but one I'm sure that you're happy to hear, as it's a great sign for Australia, for Australians and for our general economy, that so much positiveness has now surfaced once again, as reflected not only in the real estate market and all the strong activity there, but for the very strong Australian stock market as well. Well, that's it for this fortnight. All the best for now. See you in a fortnight time.